choices you make on your W-4 form can impact the size of your tax refund or the amount of taxes you owe when filing your tax return. If you aim to receive a larger tax refund each year, you have the option to complete a detailed estimate in TurboTax. Once completed, you will submit your newly updated W-4 form to your employer. Remember, you can update your W-4 form at any time during the year. In TurboTax, begin by logging into your account. If you haven't started your return, choose Let's Get Started. If you have already entered information, select Pick Up where you left off. On your left panel, select Federal, then Other Tax Situations. Scroll down until you find Form W-4 and Estimated Taxes and select Start. When prompted, confirm that you wish to adjust your tax withholding for the current year. Withholding estimates are based on your filing status and any adjustments you choose to make. This section of TurboTax is comprehensive and detailed, so take your time considering the various items that may impact your taxes for 2024. It's acceptable to leave blanks for items you're uncertain about or for any that don't apply, but try to provide as accurate estimates as possible. Nearing the end of this section, TurboTax will let you know what your 2024 taxable income is and the tax amounts based on your entries. Continue on for a few more questions until you reach the screen to print your Form W-4. Select Print Form W-4 and a PDF window will appear, and you can then print and submit to your employer. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.